Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyethemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizokucela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke engabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthola nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikuletela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe manje-ke udaba okulethele lona-ke namhlanje lithi-ke sekuvele-ke iy'thombe laphana-ke nephosti-ke laphana-ke ehambayo-ke laphana evela-ke kwisosi-ke ethembekile-ke laphana-ke. Le posti-ke ibithi-ke the MK party has brought a transformer for the community of Ward 11 Mpande VD in Umzumbe in Southern KwaZulu-Natal. The previous transformer burnt down and no one came to the aid of the community which lived in darkness. During last month's by-elections, the community overwhelmingly backed the party to win the ward from the ANC. Le posti-ke ibisho ukuthi-ke MK-ke laphana-ke isithenge-ke i-transformer-ke laphana-ke eMzumbe-ke yahamba-ke yawulungisela umphakathi-ke laphana-ke obese uhleli isikhathi eside-ke laphana-ke uhleli-ke emnyameni-ke ngoba ngenxa yokuthi-ke i-transformer-ke ibifile-ke MK-ke isithengile-ke entsha-ke laphana-ke yahamba-ke yayoyifaka-ke laphana njengoba-ke ubona-ke ney'thombe-ke laphana-ke ifakwa-ke le transformer-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana ukuthi ungene ema-comment section ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ukuthi-ke wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke. Masicindezele ibhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizoloke ngiy'faka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke lelo bhathini subscribe njengamanje.